Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to explain you the lesson Albert Einstein at school, and it gives us a message that schools fail in testing the knowledge of a person. And now we are introduced to Mr. Uh, Mr. Brown, and he was the history teacher of Albert. And when he asked Albert when was the Battle of Waterloo fought, Albert had failed, and so he became very much upset with him, and he started seething with anger, and he punished him. But in the opinion of Albert, rote learning is not the part of education, and in his opinion one may see the fact from the book, and it is it should be learned, and which army is fighting and what is the cause of the fight between the two armies. And then he came to his apartment and where he was living, and that was a slum, and his landlady was a volleyball lady, and she would often beat her children, and her drunken husband beat her every Saturday, and so there was a lot of noise in the surrounding. But when he tried to play on his violin, and she did not allow to play, as in her opinion he was the greatest source of noise in the surrounding. And he shared his pathos with his friend Yuri, and Yuri told him that he should learn all the things by heart to get his certificate, but it was not possible for Albert to get the certificate, and he had become very much upset. He wanted to remain away from his school, and so his friend arranged for a doctor, Dr. Veal, and he gave him a fake certificate that he should be away for about a month's period, as he had been suffering from nervous breakdown. Then, before leaving the school, and Bert got the advice of his mathematics teacher, Mr. Coase. Mr. Coase appreciated him, and he told him that he had been wasting his time in his class. He was really a brilliant student, and he should not waste his time there. And after getting certificate from Mr. Coase, Albert wanted to get admission somewhere in Milan, and it was against the will of his parents. In spite of several advice from his cousin Elsa, who wanted that Albert should remain in the school and he should be engaged in rote learning, but it did not affect Albert at all, and he decided to leave the school on the basis of the fake certificate. But before he could produce the certificate, the principal called him and told him that his presence in the class had disturbed the other student, and so he was going to be expelled from the school. The medical certificate was burning a hole in his pocket. He didn't want to look back at the school that was really a hateful place for him. And here the story comes to an end. Later on, Albert became a well-known scientist who gave the theory of relativity.